What's going on, guys? Jesse and Help Crowd Spawn. Today we've got an awesome project. This is a brand new midnight purple Nissan Z. Check that out. So it's green going into purple. So very spunky color. Check that out. It is insane. Now this color, if you don't know, used to only come on Skyline. So that's R35, but also R34. So right now, if you want to buy this color from Nissan, the only way you're getting it is with a T-Spec GTR, or now, for this special edition, this Nissan Z. So our client is coming to us today for full body paint protection film on this Nissan Z Heritage Edition so that he can protect this very expensive, very rare paint. So every service here at Humble Crowd Spa starts with a great prep. So we're going to be cleaning the wheels and tires first using a brush and dedicated wheel cleaners that dissolve the brake dust, and then we're going to be rinsing it off so that this car's wheels are clean. We're also going to be foaming the vehicle, so we rinse off the vehicle, we do a full foam. The foam dissolves dirt, and so as we go to wash it with a mitt, because that dirt has been dissolved and lifted off the panel, it's far easier for us to clean, and also it mitigates any chances of swirl marks and scratches during the wash process. Next, we're going to be doing a clay mitt. The clay bar removes embedded contaminants that are stuck to the paint that don't come out with a wash, and this step is ultra important when we are doing paint protection film to make sure that we don't seal in those contaminants. Once that's done, we're going to go ahead and do a rinse. We're going to rinse off all of that soap, make sure all of that is off the paint. We also do a mild chemical decontamination as well, which we rinse off so those chemicals dissolve any embedded iron, any embedded sap, and then it comes off with that rinse. All right, guys, before you crucify me, Jesse, how could you wrap this car without doing a paint correction? Look how bad this paint is. Like I said, I do offer the client, I do tell him, like, listen, could you use paint correction? Sure, but do you need it? Maybe not. So if you look at this little sample PPF that I put here, and it's over the same finish, by the way, so you can see literally the perimeter, it's all beat up. If you look at this, that is mint. So PPF is actually thicker than the paint itself, which means that it can hide even defects this heavy. And let me tell you, we work on a lot of cars here. This is probably the worst condition I've ever seen a new car come into my shop. The PPF is thick enough to hide this type of swirl mark and scratch that is seen in the paint. And I will show you guys today what that looks like once you lay PPF even over something like this. All right, y'all, we're about to lay the rear hatchback all in one piece. We're gonna do a custom big bulk install. So we've removed the spoiler. The film's gonna get all in one big piece, and then we're gonna trim it by hand. That way we get a neat, clean install on this Z. All right, so the idea here in one piece is to try to get this back spoiler here. You want all of that stretch across this axis, the x-axis, right? So as we lay the film, we're gonna do what's called a four-corner stretch to get the film over the piece. But this bottom part here, the back part of the lid, that's gonna be where we have the most issues. So we're gonna try to stretch that across like that. Get all of these little fingers, you see these right here, these are called fingers. Try to get those to lay flat across the x-axis here. We're gonna do that by stretching the film. And that, you guys, is full body clear bra on this brand new Nissan Z in midnight purple. This is one of the most iconic colors from Nissan, and it's very cool that they've thrown it on a Nissan Z. Because this car has full body clear bra now, the clarity of this finish is crystal clear. The thickness of this film hides all those swirl marks, which is why I recommend not doing paint correction unless you're very particular and you want it perfect underneath and perfect up top. The paint protection installed on this vehicle is aesthetically clear, but it's also physically durable, which means that this Nissan Z is going to be fully protected for rock chips, door dings, scratches, and swirl marks, keeping it in pristine condition for years to come. So if you've got a great car and you want complete coverage, you want it done the right way, believe it or not, this is a standard install from us. There is a step above, but even the standard install, if you look at this entire video, is quite good. So complete peace of mind, aesthetically crystal clear, and perfect finish. That's the Humble Crew PPF way. It's Jesse at Humble Crew Auto Spa, and I'll catch you next time.